I have a few problems with signs in Galway after the motorway going up, where we have the gate that comes out to Clare Galway, and it's called Ballyclare. Unfortunately, the sign that's gone up is in Irish, and we have a huge amount of people using the motorway, which is great. But they're arriving down in a small little place called Belclare, down beside me. They're going into the local pub wondering where is Clare Galway, because Belclare and Ballyclare look very the same. What it needs is the signs to be changed, not to be changed, but to the English version to be added as well, so that we can get around the motorways, which is great. And if the minister at all could see his way, if he had a few pound left over someplace, we'd throw up a few signs. But it's actually very important. We had a book launch in Clare Galway 2 weeks ago about ploughing in Galway, and one of the national directors of the ploughing came up from Cork, and he was an hour and a half going around the motorway trying to find Clare Galway in the dark, and he could not see Clare Galway sign in that place. The sat-nav wasn't working right, we have a poor reception around the place. So it's just a small thing, and if you could do that for me, I would appreciate it. Thank you very much, and well done.
In relation to the Clare Galway sign, you've already spoken to me that. I have a number of representations from Galway, and Councillor Frank Carney was on to me as well. So I've already asked my officials to organise a meeting with a delegation from Galway, yourself and Councillor Frank, and whoever else wants to be part of it would be happy to facilitate that.